Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I packed in my hospital bag as well as my diaper bag, or my baby bag I guess you can say. A little disclaimer though before we start into the video, I am not like a pro at this. This is coming from a first-time mom, so just keep that in mind if I overpacked or if I didn't pack things that you think I might need. Honestly don't know if by the time you guys watch this video I already gave birth or I'm in the hospital giving birth, because a couple of days ago my mucus plug came out and I've been having contractions like crazy. I had to drag myself literally to film this video just because I know I haven't filmed it, so I literally dragged myself. I was actually filming the tutorial on this look right here. It was kind of giving me like Thanksgiving vibes with the glitter and very bronzy and stuff, and then I accidentally deleted the eyeshadow portion of the clip, so I was like, you know what, I'm not even going to record it, so I didn't record this. But if you guys want to see this look, let me know. Before we get started into today's video though, if you're not yet a part of our T-Squad family, please subscribe in the link below, and also don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so YouTube will alert you when I do upload a video, which is 3 times a week every single week. Obviously, like I said, I don't know if I already gave birth or if I'm about to give birth by the time you guys watch this, so you guys probably won't have 3 videos a week, but you guys will have 1 video a week at least. Just give me some time to regroup, get my life together as a first-time mom with a newborn at home, and I'll come back with my 3 videos a week, I promise. Also, if you guys want to know if Liam has arrived or not, or if you just want to keep up with my personal life, then go ahead and follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. The links are in the description box below. Like this video if you like mommy content and you want me to continue to do mommy content. Anyways guys, with all that being said and out of the way, we are going to jump into it. So I'm going to start off with what I packed for myself. And this is the bag right here. It's a pretty big bag. It's not too big, but it's this one right here. And this bag is from Amazon. It is the LV dupe bag or something like that. I obviously don't have the money to go spend, you know, thousands of dollars on a bag. I think it's necessary as well. But this one is the exact same thing. It looks the exact same thing for a quarter of a price, I want to say. This one was only like less than 40 bucks, if not 50 bucks. But it looks like this. It has a lot of compartments in it. And it's pretty good quality. I've been using it for a while now and I really, really like it. The first thing that I packed for myself were soft socks. These right here. I got these from Target, I want to say. I got some from Target. These my friend Corinne gave them to me, which they look dirty, but they're not dirty, I promise. And then I also got like some slipper ones like this. But I think I'll be using the long ones the majority of the time, or at least my stay at the hospital. Always cold. I'm a very like cold person, so I can already imagine me giving birth. Obviously the hospitals are really cold, so I'm taking socks. And I'm actually taking 3 pairs. That's probably excessive, but I don't know. Don't ask me why I'm taking 3 pairs. I'm also taking deodorant as well. I don't plan on showering, and I know that sounds so disgusting for a lot of you guys, but I don't really plan on taking a shower at the hospital. One, because I wouldn't feel comfortable showering at the hospital. I mean, I hate showering anyways, and I know that sounds gross, but usually in like the Mexican tradition, or I don't know about you guys, but usually you're not supposed to shower in the full cuarentena. You're only supposed to like wipe and clean yourself and wrap yourself, and it's a whole deal. If you guys want to see my cuarentena video, let me know and I can probably film that for you guys, but I don't plan on showering. So yeah, I'm taking deodorant. I'm also taking the Summer Eve's Simply Sensitive Cleansing Cloths. The reason why I'm taking this is either because they're literally to clean your, you know, vagina or whatever, but they come in little packets, and I'm taking them because I don't know if I'm gonna have a time to shower when I get the contractions and, you know, on my way to the hospital. If not, then I'll just wipe myself real quick. But I really want to shower. Like, I want to shower before I head to the hospital. I don't know how the experience is going to be. Like, I don't know if I'm going to be in so much pain that I'm not going to be able to shower before I head to the hospital, which I don't think so. I think I'll still shower, but I'm still taking them. I don't know if I'm going to need them, but, you know. I'm also taking postpartum underwear. These are meant for either C-section or regular birth. I'm going with the mentality, and my doctor as well, that we're going to do natural birth. Anything could happen, you know. I feel like when it comes to delivery or labor or whatever, I feel like it's such a risk and you're putting your life so at risk and I feel like anything could happen to either you or the baby while giving birth. So I don't know if I'm going to have like a C-section or anything like that, but I am taking these. These are high-waisted granny underwears. I like them because they are cotton. Cotton is, I guess, more healthier for, you know, down there or whatever. Like I said, they're high-waisted, and I'm taking several. Actually, I'm taking 2. I don't know if I'm gonna need both, but I'm taking 2. Also taking a nursing bra, which literally this is like the coolest thing ever. Oh, by the way, everything that I'm showing you I did get off of Amazon. Well, at least the underwear and this, as well as the bag and other things that I'm going to share with you guys. But these have a little clip right here that you literally just unclip. How do you do this? I don't know, but you wear them, and so you literally wear these and they unclip like this. Super easy for me to breastfeed. I'm also taking Vaporu, and I don't know why I'm taking this, by the way. I don't know. But it smells so good. If you guys have smelled Vaporu, well, obviously you know how good it smells. I'm going with the mentality that I don't want the epidural. I don't know how it's going to go for me, but I'm still taking this just because I like to smell this and it kind of relaxes me, the scent of this. So I don't know, I'm taking Vaporu. I know that's like kind of weird, but don't ask me. Usually, like in the Mexican tradition, if you take Vaporu is supposed to cure like anything and everything. So yeah, I'm taking Vaporu. I'm also taking a small toothpaste because I obviously want to brush my teeth while I'm there. I'm also taking my Pure Moist, the small one, just in case I do decide to take my contacts. I'm also taking medicine in case Jesus' head hurts. He does suffer from migraine. His head is always hurting, so I gotta be prepared at least for him as well. I'm also taking a small makeup wipe in case I do need it, although I am going to be taking my little makeup bag as well with like my skincare and stuff. Just in case, do not come at me, just in case I do have the energy and the time to apply makeup either before labor for pictures or after labor for pictures. I don't know if that's going to happen. I don't know if I'm going to have the time to actually do my makeup. But I didn't really pack much as far as makeup. I really just packed like a concealer and like my brows, and that's basically it. Because if you guys did not follow me on Snapchat, you guys probably don't know, but I literally chopped off my brows. I have no brow hairs anymore. I'm also taking this Mother Love nipple cream. I saw ESTEE recommend this, and I've actually been using it for my nipples. I've heard horror stories when it comes to breastfeeding. I heard that your nipples can crack, they can bleed. I just heard so many bad things, you guys, and I really want to be prepared because my goal, obviously, to breastfeed, I don't know if that's going to be possible. Like I said, anything can happen. I'm going in with like an open mind, but I'm also going in with the mentality that I am going to be able to breastfeed. So it just depends, but I'm taking my nipple cream. I'm also taking my rosary. I don't know if you guys know this about me or not, but I don't go to church, but I am a firm believer in God and all of that. So I am taking my rosary just because I need God by my side when I am delivering this baby. Things have obviously gotten pretty intense for me the last couple of weeks, and if it's gotten that intense here at home, I can already imagine what it's going to be like when I'm in actual active labor. So I'm taking my rosary. I'm also taking some leggings. These are also from Amazon, and they're just regular leggings. I'm taking a pair of regular socks for when I do get out of the hospital. This is all for when I do get out of the hospital, by the way. I'm also taking this scarf, which is literally just a scarf, but I am going to be wrapping it around my head. I know I sound kind of like a crazy Mexican mom, you guys, but I promise you guys, I literally have the mentality of like a 40-year-old Mexican mom. Like, that's my mentality, even though I'm like half that age. But I am going to be wrapping my head. I don't want any like air to come through when I do leave the hospital. So next up, I'm also taking this dress here. It's I want to say it's like a pajama kind of dress, but I'm taking this because this is literally what I want to be in the whole time after I deliver the baby. It does have an open cut to the bottom, so they can literally just check me. I know they're going to be checking me like ever so often, so I'm taking this. Also, my shirt for when I leave the hospital. I also don't have this in here, but I am bringing a robe as well, just in case I'd rather be naked and just with the robe on. And I'm also taking slippers as well. I didn't forget that. I'm not going to show it in today's video. But I also have these jumbo pads, which I have the, I don't know where the box is at. I wanted to show you guys the box just to see if that's what you guys recommend or not. But I'm taking these pads, which are huge overnight pads that literally look like this. Like they go all the way around. I don't know if this is going to be enough. I don't know if I'm going to need the Depends, the actual woman's underwear pads type of thingy. But these are the ones that I'm taking for now. I know that the hospital provides this for you. And lastly, I did buy this right here because a lot of the videos that I would watch, they recommended this. These are the Tux medicated cooling pads with witch hazel. So I bought those, and then I also bought these thinking that they were something different. But I also bought these, and I believe these are the ones that the hospital provides for you. But I did buy these in case I do need them after I leave the hospital once I'm home. It's literally it that I am taking in my hospital bag as far as for me. Like I said, I don't know if I'm overpacking. I don't know if I need anything else. I have no idea. But this is it. So this is what I'm taking in this bag. Now we're going to jump into Liam's diaper bag. So this is Liam's diaper bag right here, you guys. It looks a bit big and stuffed, or like overstuffed, just because I do have blankets in here, but it's not overstuffed, I promise. But it's literally a backpack. It has a lot of compartments. It has compartments on the side. It has this front thingy for his bottles as well to keep them like hot or cold, I don't know. But it has that. And inside of it, it has a lot of compartments as well, which is why I like this diaper bag. Not only that, but I really like the fact that it is a backpack, so Jesus can carry it. And then I can carry it as a purse as well. This one is also from Amazon as well. And this was actually the first purchase that I did as far as baby stuff for Liam. So the first thing that I did pack was his chupon. Like I said, I don't know if the hospital is going to be providing this for us or not, but I did pack this. And it's literally his chupon in a little, what is this, like in a little box. I did buy these off of Amazon as well. Everything is literally off of Amazon, you guys. Prime is life, what can I say? But I love keeping his like chupones and stuff in little containers, just because I don't want like people to be touching them or the chupon to be touching anything inside the bag and get dirty and infected. And I don't know, I'm just like that with like my things, especially with my baby. And he does have two, but I'm only taking this one. So I am taking a Soothie as well as a different type of Wubbanub, I guess you can call this. It's technically not the Wubbanub, but the Wubbanub comes with the Soothie like this. But I'm also taking the one with like the bigger tetera here, because I don't know which one he's going to prefer. I'm also taking this thing that my best friend gave me, and this is literally a swaddler. I don't want to be that mom that swaddles the baby without like the baby being able to move his hands and stuff. I don't like that, but I am taking this just in case I do want to wrap him when we do leave the hospital. I don't know how cold it's going to be, and I still don't know how he's going to do with the whole swaddling situation. He's very active right now in my belly. Like, he moves, he sleeps so crazy, you guys. I'll go ahead and insert a picture so you guys can see my belly. Literally, that's how I wake up, with my belly to one side. It's crazy. I'm taking another blanket, and this is just like a regular blanket. I'm taking several of these, but I only have one inside of the diaper bag. The rest are going to be in his, what do you call that? Portabebe? How do you say portabebe? I don't know, but you guys know what I mean? The little thingy where you take the baby out of the hospital in. I don't know what I'm saying. Next up, I know that the hospital provides these for you, but these, I'm only taking two of them. And they are swaddle blankets. I might swaddle him in one, or I might use them when I'm breastfeeding. I don't know. So I'm taking a onesie in 3 months, and this one has no long sleeve. I'm taking a 3-month onesie right there. And I'm also taking a newborn onesie with the long sleeves as well as the little mittens here. I'm taking those just in case I do put them underneath his actual clothes. I'm also bringing him some cozy socks. These are super soft. I'm bringing him a babero. I don't know if he's going to need it or not, but I'm still taking it. And I'm also bringing 2 of these little cloths, which These I'm gonna actually use to wipe him because I'm not gonna shower him after the hospital. So taking another pair of socks, and I'm taking 2 pairs of mittens as well. As far as the clothes, you guys, I don't know, like I haven't came to the conclusion of one outfit, but I'm taking this one right here, which is in 3 months. I don't know if he's going to be a big baby or not. I actually have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so I'm literally like out of breath, you guys, but I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so I'll literally know how much he's going to weigh. Taking this one right here, which is more of like a thermo, and this one is also in 3 months, and I love that it has the little socks right here, so you don't really need to put socks on him. I'm taking this one because I really love it, and I would love him to leave the hospital with this one. This one is in 3 months, and it's literally so freaking cute. It has a little dog on the back, and it's really warm, like literally really warm. But I'm also taking this one, and this one is in newborn, just in case he is a small baby, which I doubt it. Then lastly, I am taking this one right here. This one is actually in a newborn size, and this one is super warm, you guys. It's super cozy. I can literally put him one of the lightweight onesies and just put him in here, and he'd be good to go. These, I actually have a lot of them. This one is just the smallest one that I have. I did buy these in several colors. They're so freaking cute. Look at this one. This one is 3 months, and it has the mittens as well as the feet. The white one doesn't have the feet or the mittens. And then I also got this one. He's gonna look like a cute little bear in these. And I love these because they're actually very warm. So in case I do decide to leave the hospital, I don't know if I'm gonna leave like at night, in the morning. I have no idea how that goes. But I'm also taking a diaper. I'm only taking one because I know the hospital provides diapers for you. I'm actually taking 2. There's 2 in here. I know the hospital provides for you, so I'm not even worried about the diaper situation. Also, something else that I will be taking for baby Liam is going to be gorritos. I didn't show this in the video because I don't have them yet, but I am going to be taking an ombliguero as well as gorritos. And if you don't know what an ombliguero is, I have no idea either, but my aunt was like, you need that, and I guess it's something to wrap his belly, or like a belly band, I don't know. Also taking these little gift bags for the nurses. If you guys saw my 99-cent store haul, then you guys probably saw everything that comes in the bag. The only thing that I recently added was a Starbucks gift card, but that's literally it. Snacks in there. They have a little pack of tissue. They have a reusable cup. They have a whole bunch of cute little stuff, just like a little thank you from me to the nurses that are going to be helping me, and I actually did several baggies as well. Lastly, I'm taking my faja. I did buy a 3-in-1 faja just in case I do have a C-section. The faja that I bought comes 3-in-1, so one for like as soon as you get out of the hospital for vaginal birth. The second one is for a C-section, and then the third one is for later on once I have a couple of weeks in. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. The links are in the description box below. And with that being said, guys, please pray for me. Pray that I have a safe delivery, that everything just goes smooth. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys very soon. I don't know if I'm gonna come back as a brand new woman with a baby in my hands or not. But don't forget to follow me on social media, and I will catch you guys very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.